The world is accelerating into the AI era, driving unprecedented computing demands. As chip processing performance increases, thermal design power and heat flux rise sharply, pushing conventional air cooling designs to their practical limits. Liquid cooling can handle higher heat loads, but it comes with high costs and the risk of leaks. How can we make air cooling stronger, cheaper, and safer? ITRI presents a brand new solution. ITRI's 3D Aluminum-Microchannel Thermosyphon heatsink is a next-generation thermal solution designed for AI servers. It adopts a fully aluminum integrated structure, combining fins and microchannels in a single design. A capillary-free microchannel network within the sealed cavity reduces hydraulic resistance of the working fluid, enabling rapid, passive two-phase circulation. Real-world testing shows that the system can dissipate over 1,500 watts, perfectly meeting the extreme heat demands of high-performance AI and power chips. The 3D Aluminum-Microchannel Thermosyphon heatsink offers 4 major advantages. 1. Higher efficiency. 30% improvement in heat dissipation within the same volume, exceeding kilowatt-class cooling. 2. Lighter weight. All aluminum design, half the weight of copper heat sinks. 3. Lower cost. Reduces material and manufacturing costs by 40%. 4. Greater reliability. No leakage, no maintenance, and longer server lifespan. This novel system is as simple as air cooling, yet as powerful as liquid cooling. ITRI has secured patents in multiple countries and is now collaborating with global server and cooling module manufacturers. Going forward, the technology will expand to 5G stations, automotive power modules, and industrial computers, enhancing global system reliability and computing performance.